HD touchscreen radio replacement for Land Rover Evoque. First of all, let's open the panel under the dashboard. Then remove the leather panel of the central control screen. Remove the middle gear panel. Then remove the central control screen of the original car. Then open the back of our new screen. Then open the back of the original screen. Then remove the plug motherboard from it and install it on the back of the new product. Then reinstall the back of the new product. Remove the host and connect the power cord we prepared to it. Reinstall the host in place and fix it and reinstall the middle gear panel. Then fix our new product to the hollow out of the leather panel. This action is completed, and then plug all the wire accessories into the new product according to the hole. It's done to revert the central control panel. Let's take a look at the comparison effect. We can use it to play music by voice. We can also use voice assistant, navigation maps anywhere. Thank you for watching.